Welcome ladies and gentlemen. So this is the short video of how to change the oil on BMW R18. This is the first edition. I already took the covers off. This is the side cover that is basically holding up those tools that you will need to use to open the oil hatch. Okay, so this is what you're gonna need to be able to change the oil. I always recommend changing it with the original BMW oil. This one is SAE 15W-50, fully synthetic oil, and you need 4 liters or 4 quarts. You need a oil filter. Here's the stock number, and very important, it's a crash washer. Yeah, make sure you have this one too. Alright, let's change the oil. So this tool, you just insert it here and you use this pin like that. There we go. This is what you need to do. Just create a tool and turn to the left, unscrew, and now very important part. I'm not sure if you can see the seal, the black seal. This, you will need to take it out. Why is it important? Because if it's not here, that means it is in your engine, and don't start your engine if it's missing, because that means it may be in your engine, but usually it's out. Okay, now you will need a special tool for the oil. Okay, so the next step, your oil filter and the oil screw is underneath. You will need a special tool. There we go. I got it at a BMW dealer because currently I'm in Europe and you can't buy that thing online anywhere. So yeah, this is where you need to unscrew the oil filter and oil tank. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the old oil. Just wrap the seal with it on the new oil filter. There we go, it's recommended so the rubber screws in smoothly. It's important. Alright, then we're gonna need to screw in the new oil filter. As you can see, the oil is still leaking, so my pen is still placed underneath. Alright, there we go. That's my helper there. And screw this in. So the next step is replace the crash wash with a new one. I already took it out just to make a video shorter. And after all the oil is dripping out, just screw this in and close the oil pan. Okay, so now that all the oil is in, it's 4 liters. My motorcycle is almost straight up, so there we go. There's an indication under the engine, and don't forget to put the seal on, the one that not supposed to get into the engine. And just close the lid off and your oil is changed. Okay, so now that our oil is changed, we're gonna need to reset the service light. So let's do this here. I'm not sure if you can see that part hanging on a plastic hanger like that. There we go. I'll need the camera like that. There we go. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna need our key fob for that. Let's turn the power on. We're gonna go ahead and plug our OBD in. There we go. Now we're gonna need to go to our app, OBD Link. Alright. Let's see. Connect. Allow. Okay. You need to allow everything. Here you're going to need to see the red light coming on. That means it's connecting. Change the protocol. Connection wizard. Alright. Is on. Connect. That is off. Just need to check this, letting the system know that your green LED is on. Alright, continue. Press the pair button. Alright, here we go. Just pressing the pair button. Continue. Alright, there we go. Pair. I think we are having a success. Good. Alright. Now I need to go back to our model scan. Choose our bike. There we go. K35 is our bike. Then we are looking for instrument cluster. There we are. And you can see in the service reset, just go over there, set the current motorcycle date. Oh, it says March 9. This is incorrect. So today's date is September 3rd. Okay, no, it's correct. September 3rd. Alright, reset, service, reminder, 10,000 miles. Or the date, which is gonna be September 3rd. Reset. Okay. Reset. Okay. 10,000 miles or 10,000 miles. Reset. Okay. And yeah, our service light should be gone by now. So let's see if it worked. Just gonna turn it off. And here we go. There we go. If you scroll down, there is no more warnings. Yep, it's done. This is how we do it. So thank you for watching the video and see you next time.